What's up, everyone? If you are looking for buying hosting from Hostinger, then you must have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to discuss about the pros, cons of Hostinger, my experience of using Hostinger for 2 years, and in case if you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, what are the best open codes. So I'm going to give you a detailed review in this video. So let's get started. In case if you're looking for a deal, the deal is through the link in the description. So because that lands you to an amazing discounted page like this, you can see over here at the Hostinger main page, you can see about their uh, popular deal, which is of $2.99, which also has 30 days money back guarantee. Now let's see on first of all their market reviews. At Trustpilot, they got 4.6 out of 5. At Google, 4.8. Hosted device, 4.5. WP Beginners, 4.7 out of 5. Okay, this seems good reviews, but let's have a practical examination of the recent reviews at Trustpilot. So in case if I open the reviews, you can see over here the review is a recent is low price hosting but not low quality, which means that price is low but the quality is not low, and it's amazing. So I'm using this hosting provider for an NGO, and I find it has a wide range of one-click website auto installable services, as well as automated weekly backups for file and databases. This is enough for our purposes. So I would very gladly recommend Hostinger. So they are recommending Hostinger. So let's more reviews. Amazing support. There is another review as well that reviews amazing with the support, so everyone praising them. Okay, there can be negative reviews as well, which is happens with every company, but I mostly see positive reviews over here. So now if you scroll below, you can see their basic hosting plans. You can see over here the like this premium plan, you are getting 77% discount, business has 71%, cloud setup has 64. Let's if you in case if you look around on the reviews, for instance, you are getting standard performance, increased performance, NVMe SSD storage, daily or weekly backups option, SSL bandwidth. You're also getting free domain, and then you're also getting free CDN, and in some plans you're also getting dedicated IP, which is a good add-on. In case if you look for it has all of the plans are managed WordPress. Some are optimized for WooCommerce with basic, and some are optimized for advanced. Also has free automatic website migration. Like in case if you're coming from another hosting to Hostinger, they're going to provide you free website migration, which is a good addition. Then you are also getting free one-click installation WordPress, which is another great addition. So you're getting ample of features over here, and then there is a no code website builder, which can make website creation very easy and quickly. So that is another add-on. And you're also getting e-commerce features like their own uh, e-commerce merchant, so where you can have 0% transaction fees and 20 plus payment methods to charge for your customers. Then you can see what I like about the security is their DDoS protection, Cloudflare protected name servers, web application firewall, and then a malware scanner, which I personally recommend as a very good feature. Then they provide free domain whos privacy protection, secure access manager. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee. You also have access to global data centers with 24/7 customer support. Then you can see that they offer you data centers in multiple locations, such as in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So you have ample of options to choose. In case if you want to host website to another location, you can easily host. They have ample of options to choose on. Then they provide their own website solution builder, where you can manage up to 100 websites. It's a good add-on. You can also set up a professional email ID and optimize your workflow with managed WordPress hosting. Then they provide maximized website speed with the Lightspeed web server technology. You can compare them with the competitors, how fast they are. They are at least 3 times faster, at least on the book, or I'm seeing they are with their object cache for WordPress technology. So I believe that speed plays a huge role, and they have worked a lot on the speed, so which is a very good add-on with them. Then if you scroll below, they have 24/7 support, and then there are currently more than 2 million people who are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. I have already told you about the enhanced security features, and I have already told you about free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Now, before I move on to the plans, I'm going to log into my Hostinger account and show you some of the features over there. So let's stay with me on this. So you can see over here that they have ample of features over here. In case if I can see my web hosting over here, I can see my domain. I still have free email pending. I can enable daily backups, which I have not yet enabled. I can also see malware scanner, which has so far found 11 cases and it has now safe. I can also run a performance score over here. I can access my file manager database as WordPress through one click, and they also have a WordPress dedicated page where I can upgrade to other plugins and other things as well. Okay, and then I can see about my HTTPS maintenance, other features over here. I can see more about their performance. I can see more about hosting over here. uh, I can see about my security over here. I can see about my emails. I want to set domains. I can set website. I want to have files over here, a lot of stuff over here, including the advanced jobs over here as well. So it's an ample of options to choose on. So far my experience with them, with their own each panel, is very good, and I can manage a lot of stuff over here directly over there, and I can even install WordPress with a one-click installation. So it's everything quickly, and I can see some plugins has virus, and I can easily manage through here. I can manage all services in one place as well in case if I want to do it. So now let's move on to, let me log out and show you the plans. So now you can see that they offer multiple plans such as web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. Even the web hosting is optimized for WordPress hosting, so you can still use web hosting as well. In web hosting, you can see that they offer four plans starting from single, premium, business, and cloud startup. Since the single plan see with the most amount of money, say 80% plus, I'm going to give you a coupon code for additional 10% discount, which makes it approximately 91% discount. So, but in the other plan, the discount is going to be less because the 10% is going to add 71 plus 10 81. But even over here, I'm going to get 90%, more than 90% discount. So just make sure, in case if you plan to buy hosting from hosting it, make sure to click on the link in the description, plus use two of my favorite coupon codes to get amazing discounts. So let's say if you're going with this plan, just simply select the add to cart. Once you select the add to cart, the procedure is quick and easy. We are going to be redirected to another page. On that page, we are going to see the summary of what we are going to buy from Hostinger. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, and then I'm going to choose my billing period. You can see that the billing periods, 1 month, 12, 24, and 48 months, all have a very different pricing range. So the 48 months is definitely the most cheapest option where I'm saving the most amount of money. I just have to simply select this option, then scroll below, and then I can create a new account over here by writing my email account, or I can synchronize with Google or Facebook through here. Once I synchronize and done with this, select my payment method. Hostinger offers five payment methods including credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have ample of options to choose on. Once you select your payment method, simply scroll below, select the have a coupon code, and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link, and select the apply button. And you can see the current pricing, which is right now 95, gone further to $85. So it is more than 10%, because the 10% of $100 is $10, but you get a $10 discount over here. Okay, and there is another coupon code as well. You can see that the already getting an 82% off, so you can use another coupon code as well, which is with the name of HI10. And once you select this coupon code, the price, you can see again got a further discount. So enjoy your hosting with Hostinger with two of these finest coupon codes. Definitely Hostinger has my back, and I have been using it. I have shown you my personal control panel. I'm very satisfied so far with Hostinger, and I definitely recommend you to offer the Hostinger. So make sure to buy through the link in the description to enjoy amazing discounts while buying hosting from Hostinger. Good luck and enjoy your stay with Hostinger.